Hi there, welcome to Lean Bella's Kitchen. My name is Jen and today we are going to make mini custard fruit tarts. I'm also going to link the recipe for those tart shells so you can also make them for your fruit tarts. But of course you can always buy the tart shells if you don't have time to make them. And we are going to make the custard, and the tart shells really go so well with the custard that we're going to make because those shells pretty much taste and the texture, they are close to shortbread cookies, so it's really delicious. And then I top my tarts with some raspberries. You can top it with any fruits that you like, but the brighter the color you top your tarts with, the better and the nicer the presentation would be. We will also glaze them with some apricot preserves. It's very simple. All you do is just get some apricot preserves, microwave them, heat them for a little bit so just it kind of liquefy a little bit, and it's easy to brush on top of our fruits. So let's go ahead and make the mini custard fruit tarts. Combine the egg yolks, sugar, cornstarch, and a little bit of salt, then mix until everything is well combined. Now you're going to add the warm milk. For the milk, I simmer it for about 5 minutes and then I slowly add it to the egg yolks. This is tempering. You don't want to add the milk all at once and scramble your egg yolks. And after everything is well combined, you're going to transfer it to the saucepan and then keep stirring until the mixture thickens. Once it thickens, then you remove it from the heat, add the butter, and then stir until the butter melts, and then you're going to add the vanilla. And then you transfer it into a smaller bowl and let it cool. Place some plastic wrap on top and make sure that the plastic touches the surface so it doesn't form a skin. And once you're ready to pipe, stir the custard, and then I use a Ziploc bag and I fill it with the custard. Then I cut the tip and then I pipe the custard into the tart shell. Now once it's piped, I use a spatula to smooth the top. Then I add my raspberries. You can add any kind of fruits or berries that you like. And then I warm up a little bit of apricot jam, and that's the glaze for the top of my fruit. Alright my lovelies, that was simple enough. So I hope that you're going to try making this mini custard fruit tarts, whether you buy your tart shells or you make it from scratch. I'm sure that you will enjoy it. And if you have family and friends that need help with home cooking or baking, please share this video. And if you're looking for more recipes, just head on to my website, and that's leanbellaskitchen.com. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.